Hi everybody, this is Mr. Mendoza. Just wanted to give you your math activity for today. So yesterday, Miss Ghaffari talked about this idea of balancing, okay? And the reason why we balance is to make sure that the left side is equal to the right side, just like if we were looking at scales. So for today, you'd still have a scale, except the scale does not have 1 on each side, but actually 2. So 2 on the right and 2 on the left. What I'd like to show you briefly is doing a quick little example about what is not balance. So let's say that I put a sticky note, and let's just do 1 right here, and 2, 1, and 3. Okay, so I have these numbers over here. Let's say that I put all the 1s on this side, and on the 3 and the 2 on this side. So the first thing that you need to look at is making sure what the total is on the one side. So please focus on this side. Okay, so 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, 2 and 3 more gives us a total of 5. On this side, 1 and 1 more gives us a total of 2. If we're going to draw this out, 2 and 5, that is not balanced because we have an extra. Now I'm going to do a different color here. We have an extra 3 on this side. So notice that 2 and 2 would be balanced, but we have 3 extra. So 5 is not balanced to 2. What if we could rearrange this and start again? So what if we did 1 on this side and 3 on this side? And I had a question mark on here. Let's say that this was the question mark right there. So again, step 1, you're going to look at one side and ask yourself, what does the two number values equal to, or the sum? So 1 and 3 more is 4. Okay, and something plus 1 should also equal to 4. So again, we want to make sure it's 4 and 4. So right now we have 1 already. So something and 1 more is going to equal 4. And you guessed it. It is 3. So now we have 4 and 4. 1 and 3 more, and 1 and 3 more gives us 4. So now that is balance. And that's what we need to do. Now, if you need to remember what that means, right side must equal. And the reason there's an equal, we use the word equal because right in the middle is an equal sign. So 1 plus 3 is equivalent or equal to 3 plus 1. I think that makes sense from these single digit numbers. But today, you're going to get a little bit of a bigger number. So again, first step, you're looking at one side and ask yourself, what is the total for the left side? And by doing quick mathematical thinking, I've noticed that this side is going to be 40, 20, and 10 is 30. 8 ones and 2 ones gives me 10 ones, or 110. So that gives me my total of 40. So again, now I have 40. Remember that equal sign that Ms. Ghaffari talked about? This means balance. So we want to make sure the right side, which is right here, is equivalent to the left side. Now, right now we have 40 equals, and we're looking for 40 here. Okay, so you could look at it like this way. You could think to yourself, okay, question mark plus 20 would give me 40. So what would give me 40? Now you could look at some strategies. You can start at 20 and add on to 40, or you can take 40 and go backwards or subtract 20, and you would find out that it's also 20. So now our equation is balanced. 28 plus 12 equals 20 plus 20. That is balanced. Now, for your activity today, you're going to get 5 with missing parts, with a missing part, and multiple choice. But the other part of your Google form today would be 2 missing parts. Now, before you look at the image, please remember that the sum, that means the total for each side, is going to be 100. So this will equal 100. This will equal 100. Your job, again, is first make sure you think of one side and ask yourself, what does one side equal to? Well, it's out of 100. So for this one, we have 50. So again, Mr. Mendoza is saying each side is going to equal 100. So 100 is equivalent to 100. So 50 and how many will give you 100? And 25 plus another number will give you 100. So make sure that you do one side first, so then you can figure out what each side is, and so the math statement is balanced. Thank you very much, and have a great day. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know.